Evening. So, I will present to you the full armor of God. Paul?
Helmet of salvation.
This is not unpredictable.
Breastplate of righteousness.
Belt of truth. Shield of faith.
Tindog ah. Pinakanahin mo kita.
Sword of the Spirit.
Yeah! Diba? So, we have seen it nga, muna these are the full armors of God. Muna nga, makita nato din nga, di ba nahambal sa ini nga, kung nga, this is the full armor of God nga, this will guide you. Muna pero suksok ko mo ginaper, may muna gani nga, ginapasok-sok kasi mo, para ikaw may pambato kasi demonyo. Maginabang mabalbalay ka mo sa ginoo, sa demonyo, but to overcome the temptations in our life. So na, may this be a lesson sa inyong gabi, and that we may have fear with God. And to fear God means to do His commandments, and anong dumatagali nga sabag ka mo ko sa without faith,
We cannot please God.
dungan.
We cannot.
It is impossible to please God. Without faith,
It is impossible to please God.
amen. And that ends